Welcome to the Industrial Automation Magazine's January cover story. This month, we explore the road to smart manufacturing, delving into how digitalization is propelling companies to rapidly scale up on the factory automation front. The journey from traditional manufacturing to smart factories is a narrative of innovation, challenges, and strategic decision-making. Let's hear from industry experts on the various facets of this transformation. In our January cover story, The Road to Smart Manufacturing, Sureshbabu Chigurupalli, board member director at Balasore Alloys Limited, sets the stage by highlighting how automation accelerates production, optimizes processes, and enhances efficiency. Craig Resnick, vice president at ARC Advisory Group, delves into key aspects for companies transitioning to automation, emphasizing defining objectives, calculating investments, and understanding necessary technologies. Amit Saluja, founder of digiXLT, advises viewing the transformation as a journey. He stresses building a digital mindset, assessing ROI through small-scale deployments, and planning technology adoption with a long-term focus. Shifting to challenges, Shatam Bhattacharyya, principal business consultant in AI transformation consulting, discusses obstacles traditional manufacturing companies face in adopting emerging technologies. He emphasizes tailored approaches and overcoming cultural barriers. Girish, Ayya, co-founder of Avadhoot Automation Solutions Private Limited, explores the scalability of solutions, stressing the importance of compatibility, resource availability, and careful planning for successful digital transformation. Sudhanshu Mittal, head at Nasscom Center of Excellence, focuses on the criticality of scalability in automation. He highlights the preference for open standards, ensuring flexibility and compatibility, especially for small enterprises. Turning to initial costs, Sureshbabu outlines considerations, including capital expenditures, software costs, and integration expenses, crucial for planning automation investments. Amit Saluja provides a practical perspective, suggesting a low initial investment threshold of around 10 lakh rupees for building basic digital infrastructure and enabling a proof of concept solution for a small number of critical machines. Examining workforce skills, Shatam Bhattacharya emphasizes the challenge of navigating emerging technologies. He stresses the need for reskilling, particularly in technological and soft skills. Girish, Ayya and Sudhanshu Mittal delve into workforce skill requirements, underlining the importance of proficiency in managing automation and developing leadership skills to prevent redundancy. Turning to regulatory considerations, Ramnath Mani, Managing Director of Automation Excellence, highlights the necessity of cybersecurity. He references standards from organizations like IEC, ISA, ANSI, ISO, and government initiatives to safeguard manufacturing. Sureshbabu covers safety regulations, data security, and additional considerations, emphasizing the need for continuous monitoring of regulatory changes to ensure ongoing compliance. Concluding with integration challenges, Craig Resnick suggests leveraging open communication standards like OPCUA and MQTT for integrating existing machinery into a digitalized manufacturing environment. Amit Saluja acknowledges the challenges of integrating legacy equipment but points out innovative solutions, such as capturing signals and placing sensors on machines for basic operations data. Girish, Ayya highlights integration challenges, including data silos, lack of standardization, and cybersecurity risks, while emphasizing collaboration with experts, workforce training, and a phased approach for successful integration. That wraps up our insightful journey into the road to smart manufacturing, featured in this month's cover story. For a comprehensive exploration of this topic and more, be sure to visit the Industrial Automation Magazine's official website. Don't miss out on the latest updates and trends. Subscribe to our monthly issue for a continuous flow of cutting-edge information in the realm of industrial automation. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of innovation and transformation. Until next time.